Stone came into being in about 2014 and started off as a very traditional consulting company, but always with the idea in mind that we want to level the playing field for small and mid-sized businesses when they're competing against the big boys in their industry. We really love helping small companies succeed and delivering technologies to them that they can't get anywhere else or seem out of reach. And really trying to take all of the effort out of the relationship between customers and us as a partner. In the traditional consulting model, that's been very difficult because you always have these conflicts between the customer wanting to do something and the cost we want to charge in order to make it worthwhile. So mid 2024, we embarked on this journey to really streamline and simplify the deployment process for ERP, because that's been the major hurdle. Traditionally, ERP systems cost about 90% upfront, and so there's never this ongoing improvement because you've spent so much money and time and budget and you're just weary. So we've taken that away. We've reduced that friction so that you can get on an ERP system quickly. You can begin running, you can refine, and you'll always have the budget and the appetite and the energy to keep improving your business in order to accelerate your growth. That doesn't happen when you've always got to fight for funding or be looking at how many dollars you're going to be charged to go do simple things. So I've been on this quest for many years to really upend the industry and to really change the mindset on how to deliver high quality technology and real value to businesses without having them break the bank. And we're at a perfect time and place right now where the confluence of technology and people's use of social media and apps is driving an environment where we can now deliver things at a very simple, very low cost subscription and provide technology under that and really reduce the friction in the way people work. And we've decided to go with Acumatica because the simplicity of working with them as a company, they're a fantastic partner. The technology is amazing, and there's so many great capabilities coming out on a regular basis. It's really awesome to work with a company that's focused on this market and gets what needs to happen and adapts to the marketplace. So very excited to be where we are right now. We're at a place where we never could have gotten a decade ago, and it's time to start accelerating.